hearts just to tear them apart. Putting on a face just to play the part. All these fake emotions, just to drown in self-devotion. And now we're falling down, falling down. And we're losing something real to hold on to. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Don't let it show, don't let it go. It's dark down below.
Here at the round 5 of the D1NZ National Pro Sport Championship. So coming into Saturday, the weather was absolutely terrible. Had quite a few spins, learning how to adapt to the wet. I haven't actually driven that car in the wet before. And we ended up sort of sorting out how to drive it, changing our setup a little bit. I'm going into qualifying. First run we just banked a safe run. Second run we ended up caught something like maybe 62 points, but ended up taking our second place in qualifying. Coming into our first battle, we were against Ben White. The conditions changed drastically. The track had gone from being absolutely wet, slippery, to there was dry patches and wet patches. So we went in sort of slow, and then found that there was a ton of grip on the track. That messed us both up massively. We ended up placing in the top 8 this round. Calvin Clark took us out. Partially my fault. I ended up getting lost in the smoke and taking a bad line and ended up having the 2 wheels off.
And now we're falling down. And we're losing something real to hold on to. It's dark down below. It's dark down below. Don't let it show, don't let it go. But never all alone. It's dark down below. It's dark down below.
Overall today was a wicked day. Going up on the podium, we managed to take our first for the championship.
And driving the measure up scoring, Team 13, 2J seeing himself to the top spot of Pro Sport, Liam Burke!
A massive surprise for everyone. Proposed to my partner. Will you marry me?
I've got to ask the question, what did you say?
Yes.
You said yes. All right, you go and hang out with your man over there because I think you probably deserve it.
This is what we came for. We couldn't want it anymore. Never turn back now. Got to leave it all on the floor. Been dreaming of the payoff, the struggles and the trail.